Yeah, hi Andy. My name is Shiv Prasad. I head the sales for Prestige Group Hyderabad. Basically, Prestige Group is a Bangalore-based company. We have been in this industry for more than 30 years now, and we have delivered more than 30 million square feet, and another 30 million square feet is under construction. We are pan-India-based developer. We are traditionally there in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and now we are even ventured into Mumbai and Delhi. There are a lot of projects coming up. Thank you. And coming to Credai, it's an annual event which is one of the biggest property expo that happens in Hyderabad. And I'm really surprised to see the kind of response that we are getting, even after people worried about COVID and the pandemic. One thing that is really appreciable here is that Credai has taken all the precautions in terms of taking care of the safety of the people, and the way it is organized. Social distancing is one thing which they have been continuously telling both the exhibitors as well as the people who are visiting the stalls. So congratulations Credai for doing an excellent job in this. Coming to the current market, contrary to the belief that COVID has affected the real estate market, if you look at Pan India, as on date, Hyderabad is one market which is doing exceedingly well. The kind of projects that are being launched, the kind of sales, the kind of interest which is there in Hyderabad is unbelievable. And basically the fundamentals in terms of the market has been pretty strong, especially with the government initiatives and the support that developers are getting in Hyderabad. More and more non-local developers are also very keen to enter in Hyderabad. One clear example is Prestige ourselves. We have been in the market for last 10 years and we have delivered more than 3 residential projects. Looking at the excitement and the kind of market that is there in Hyderabad, we are very bullish and we are coming with more and more projects in Hyderabad. Currently we have 2 projects which are under construction. One is close to handover, that is called Prestige Highfields. It's spread over in 22 acres and with 2,400 apartments, and this is right in the middle of IT corridor, that is financial district. There we have all the segment sizes starting from 2 bedroom to 4 bedroom. Right now we have started the handovers also. We are left with very few inventories available there. Then we have launched one more project that's called Prestige Tranquil. This is in Kokapet. This is an exclusive 3 bedroom apartment project. Again, it is very close to the IT corridor. The kind of response that we are getting is amazing. In fact, in last 8 months, that's where we launched this project. We are already sold close to 80%. This shows the kind of trust and the confidence that customers have on brand Prestige. Looking at this, we have recently acquired one more land parcel under the auction which has been done by government. So we are pretty bullish. We have 3 more projects coming up very soon, and be in touch with us and we'll be happy to share more information as the projects come, or we announce or launch it very soon. A lot of non-local developers are also looking at Hyderabad to venture in. That's predominantly for 2-3 reasons. One is market. The fundamentals are pretty strong. Second is the job opportunities which government is able to create has also done a lot of non-local developers to look at not only residential, even commercial also. Third thing is the proactive initiatives in terms of the rules and norms which has been introduced by government has really helped the market to mature and become more customer friendly, especially with the RERA Act coming into place. It has given a lot of confidence to customers to invest in real estate without worrying about what would be the safety of the money. That has resulted in a robust infrastructure which is helping the overall market to grow. Thank you.